To draw the Lewis structure for OBr2, oxygen dibromide, let's count the valence electrons up. Oxygen's in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons, and bromine's right next to it in group 17. It has 7 valence electrons, and we have these 2 bromines. We multiply that by 2. That gives us 20 total valence electrons for the OBr2 Lewis structure. We'll put oxygen in the center, and then bromine on either side. So we have a total of 20 valence electrons. We start by putting electrons between atoms to form the chemical bonds. We've used 4. Then we'll go around the outside atoms and complete their octets. And so far, we've used a total of 16 valence electrons. We have 20 total, so we have 4 more valence electrons. Let's complete the octet on the oxygen. And that's the Lewis structure for OBr2. You can see bromine has 8 valence electrons. Oxygen, it has 8, and this bromine over here, it also has an octet. So we're done. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for oxygen dibromide, OBr2. Thanks for watching.